What's good, guys? Ethan here. Today I'm going to teach you how you can go from this to this. First thing you're going to want to do is take off the covers. On each side there's one over there for your side mirror adjustments, and then this one is just a blank cover. So I just pry this one off like so, and then you can unplug right here. Boom. And then these are all 11mm bolts. So you're gonna wanna pop these out, and then the mirror will fall out. And when you get these mirrors, get the 2010 to 2012 mirrors only. That's because they have the same connection plug as the 05 to 09 mirrors. Now what you're gonna need to do is remove this foam piece. And there are two plastic dowel things you need to remove. I'm going to use my multi-tool to shave them off. It shouldn't take any effort at all, but make sure to shave them down to the bottom so that it can clear through the holes. This is how she's sitting. I got these carbon fiber covers on. Got them off eBay for I think like 40 bucks. They weren't too expensive. Looks really nice actually. I love it. And yes, if you go in the car, the mirrors do work. Both sides. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, rate, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all later. Peace. What's good, guys? Ethan here. Today I'm going to be installing these carbon fiber caps for these door handles. So let's get to it. So first you're going to want to clean this side off. Use the microfiber towel and so get it all nice and clean. And then it's pretty straightforward. You just take off the tape. Okay, so tape is ready, and just set it over top. There you go. These are so tacky, but I love it. All right, and then this we'll just slide on. Go like right there. Perfect. Just make sure it's on there. There you go. God, this shit is so tacky. But now you got some carbon fiber handle covers. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the other side and then show you the big reveal. So I got these off Amazon for like 20 bucks. I'll leave the link in the description. I was trying to find them for a while and I couldn't find them, but then they finally popped up in one of those Facebook ads. So I picked them up and pretty easy to install. They look pretty cool. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, rate, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all later. Peace.